Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a real brief update on this fellow that's roughly my age. He just came in and got his stitches out, and he's an interesting character. He's a Taekwondo instructor, and we did his first case, which you can see here. He started with a couple little straggly gray hairs up front 20 months ago.
Yes.
And we did a strip case on him, and he came back for a second case. And we worked towards his crown and essentially got almost all the way to the end. You know?
It's just a little space that needs to be
completely
done.
He did a great job cleaning. Look at this video, this picture. This is how I like it to look. And interestingly enough, his wife is a pharmacist, and she didn't do that great of a job cleaning. So he took over the job, and he did an awesome job. So this is what you need to look like if you get done at our office. And I used to take Taekwondo. I'm a second-degree black belt, and I had this kicking target, and I gave it to him. He came up to pick it up with his stitches in, and we had to load it in the truck for him because I didn't want him bending over and picking this thing up. But he's using that. He teaches all these kids, and he's doing good. And what did he say when he was walking out the door? I mean, I think he's done at this point. I said...
So I removed the sutures, and I said, okay. I was like, come like around Thanksgiving.
We'll take a picture.
Take a picture. And he's like, well, how long do you think so I can get my other 1,000? And I was like, oh.
Yeah. So, it's just typical. I think we've gotten him from being pretty bald, so he will have good coverage with fine hair from front to back about a year and a month from today. Yet, just like a lot of these guys are already planning yet another phase. So my advice is, number one, clean like this guy did. And number two, wait until things grow in before you start planning that next case. There's never an emergency hair transplant, right?
Yes.
All right. If Wendy and I can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.